Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are stretching your back over and over again and not getting the desired result, then nobody has informed you about active flexibility. If you want to hold the pose for longer and get deeper into the pose without hurting yourself in long run, then active flexibility is what you need, aka the back strength. So in this video, we're going to work on active flexibility and also passive stretching so that you can improve your back flexibility and back strength together. I want you to try it for 7 days and see the result. Share it with me. So let's get started. We're going to lie down on our stomach first to work on our back strength first. And hands to the front and lift up your upper body and swing your hands back. Exhale, come down. Inhale, lift up. Just a little jerk to lift more. Exhale, down. Inhale, lift up. Hold for 2 seconds. Exhale, down. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, down. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, down. Inhale, lift up. And see if you can interlock your fingers at the back and hold. Squeeze your core, squeeze your glutes and lift up, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Exhale down and place your palms under your chin. Now bend your knees and lift your thighs off the mat. Exhale, come down. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, 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 down. Inhale, lift up. Now hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Don't drop your leg down, straighten it, and at the same time straighten your hands. Inhale, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale, come down, lift up into cobra pose. Adjust yourself. We're gonna hold it. I don't want to push 100% of your capacity, so you have to hold to that point. Your body is very comfortable and you can breathe easily. So hold it here. Inhale and exhale. Once again, inhale, exhale. You should just feel a little stretch and breathe with comfort. Inhale, exhale. After that, we're gonna hold the active stretch in this pose. Inhale, exhale. Once again, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now squeeze your glutes and try to lift your hands to the back. Keep breathing. Inhale and exhale. You can interlace your fingers at the back if you can and hold. 1, keep breathing. 2, squeeze your glutes. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Bring your hand back to the ground. Release your chest to the ground. Take few deep breathings here. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now lift your chest up again and bend your knees and come to full Bhujangasana. जहाँ तक आप अच्छे से होल्ड कर पाते हो, अच्छे से ब्रीथ कर पाते हो, वहां तक आपको होल्ड करना है. जबरदस्ती अपने हेड को अपने पैरों के पास लेके जाना नहीं है. ओके, होल्ड. You should breathe very comfortably. Okay, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, hold. As you hold more, you will get deeper into the pose. So don't worry, stay there wherever your body allows you right now. Eventually, you will reach to that point where you want. Okay, exhale, come down and release the pose. Now, separate your knees wider and come to child pose, a wide child pose. Inhale and exhale. Fill your belly with air and see how it affects your vertebral column, the back, lower back. Okay, come out of the pool. Sit down in Vajrasana, hands to the back and bring your foot to the front like this, and your hips should be closer to your feet. Okay, now inhale and bring your knee to the ground at the front. Exhale, come back. थोड़ा सा हाथ को पास ले आएंगे so that you can do it better, and bring the knee to the ground. Come back to knee to the ground. Come back. 3. Few more times. Knee to the ground. Exhale, come back. Inhale, knee to the ground. You can see at the back of your mat. Exhale, come back. Inhale, knee to the ground. Exhale, come back. Inhale, knee to the ground and rotate your hand to the back and see if you can reach the ground. Your head is resting on the ground. 1. Feel a stretch in your hip flexor at the same time in your lower back and upper back. Inhale. This is a great stretch to improve your hip flexors flexibility, which is very important when you want to hold a back bend, because the whole front body is stretched when you do a back bend. Inhale and exhale. Few more seconds. Keep breathing. Okay, from here what you're gonna do is come back down on your back. Heels together but feet are apart. Now place your palms on your elbows, and when you lift up, inhale and bring your hands to the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, last one, 5. You can stay here and hold the pose, or you can come on your head, knees together now, and place your hands on the ground. Hold it here. Lift your hips as high as you can, but stay within your comfort zone. We want to hold it for longer with comfortable breathing. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Keep breathing and see, you can deepen your pose. Inhale, exhale, inhale. Slowly straighten your legs if you can. Inhale and exhale. Hold it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See if you can lift your head up off the ground and hold it here. 5, 4. Squeeze your glutes if you want. 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Bring your hips back to the ground and relax. And now slowly come back and come to downward dog. Bend the knees one by one, and we're gonna hold the last pose of today. So stake your right foot to the front, back knee on the ground. You can tuck your toes. Inhale, raise your arms up. Push your hip flexor forward. Exhale, come to half split. Inhale, push your hip flexor forward, squeeze your core and bend back. Exhale, half split. Inhale, low lunge, bend your back. Exhale, half split. And low lunge, inhale. Lift up, squeeze your glutes, squeeze your core and hands to the ground and open up your chest and bend backward. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Come back and come to downward dog once again. Bend the knees and we're gonna step our left foot now. Left foot forward. Come to low lunge. Squeeze your glutes and press your back thigh towards the ground and the front. Inhale, lift your arms up. Keep pushing your hip flexor forward. Bend your back. Exhale, half split. Inhale, low lunge. Exhale, half split. Inhale, low lunge. Exhale, half split. Last one. Inhale, low lunge and hold. You can hold it here, the active stretch, or you can place the hand on the ground and bend backward. Engage your core to prevent any injury in your lower back. Inhale, lift your chest up. Keep lifting your chest up and bend backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Come back and release yourself into child pose. You can hold this child pose as long as you want and do other counter poses, and we are done with our practice. I hope you enjoyed it, and do it for 7 days and share the result with me. So see you next time.